Hi everyone! Today we're making a super cool Play-Doh frog. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun crafts. First, roll your green dough into one large ball for the body, a medium one for the head, and 4 small logs for legs. Flatten the large ball slightly for a stable body. Then press the head firmly onto the front. Easy peasy. Did you know frogs go through a big change called metamorphosis? They start as tiny eggs in the water. Now attach the front legs and bend the back logs into a Z shape. Add some lines for webbed toes. Cool fact alert, frogs can't chew, so they use their eyeballs to push food down their throats. Whoa! Add some big bulging eyes and use a toothpick to give your frog a giant happy smile. Almost done. Frogs don't drink water through their mouths. They actually soak it up through a special patch on their bellies. And there he is, your very own Play-Doh frog friend. He looks amazing! Thanks for crafting with me today. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. See you next time!